You see this picture right here, sir? This is a generational picture. From ever since, because through the cane burn, it black up the clothes. Yeah. Yeah, big time, man. Yeah. It's never about them types of washing.
This looks like it's sweet.
Yeah, man, let's show that. Yep, the peel up. Generals and generals. They are passed through the enemy, you see? No, I know St. Catherine, man, but we see. That's a pass through, you know? Ah, then I heard no right. Jarrett right for ruler, man. I didn't run over your fence.
I know that's a great.
You know my piece?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be bigger than this.
Sit there right here. Man, your head and the cock score, my friend.
All of them words in the phone.
Why?
All right. You know where this? Tony, can you take us? I know them kind of old now. You know what this?
Nope.
This is what we call anatto. You know anatto beer? This is where it get the name from. Anatto. This was before curry.
Oh.
You understand? Yeah. It has some seeds in it normally. These are all dried out, but what people do, the housewife them back then, they take out the seed, them red, put them in a coconut shell. For some reason it had to be a coconut shell. And put water upon it and use a spoon. See how she know about it. She'll go around the garden and I rub it and it gives you a, like a reddish juice. And you pour that on your meat in your fritters and it's well colored.
I just see them here.
Mm-hmm.
The red look on them. Something
Yeah.
like beetroot.
Yeah.
Okay. Color there.
And,
Yeah.
but it's also toxic.
Oh.
Yeah. But a whole lot of health benefits like more maybe rival turmeric. You understand? But that was the original curry where people used back in the day. And that was where poor people used back then to color them food. Meat, fritters, all kind of stuff. You don't tell about them I climb maca tree naked for you? And this is maca tree them I talk about. The prickle a la maca. This is the prickle a la tree. If you notice, all of these are maca. And every spot we see on it, from root to leaf, is maca. So just imagine somebody a climb that naked for you. See, I mean deserve you.
Love you.
Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, bad.
What? What you gonna say what again?
Prickle a la maca. Prickle a la. Because all over it is prickle. So it's like a fusion of. Well, you gonna eat it now? You can't just go feast, baby. And the tree then, where the tree then? No, not the coconut. The one with the long leaves, big leaves. King of the forest. Yeah, very, very potent bush and herb to drink. All kind of stuff. I want one of them super stuff there when they tell you say put game almost everything. No, it's a tea, a bush tea. So you practice it with sugar to your taste or honey. Yeah, but it's not bitter. If you talk about neem, neem bitter and seriously, and them the bitter.
Bricks. I never wait
a
Brace.
Pastor say, me.
Me used to get that.
Me never like it from me smell it.
You see, I when
You
school
can't
I
do
start back, some are done and school I
You know
start
your
back.
mama say, come.
Yes, some man, they smell like a boy, you know, me ready for go somewhere now and can't go nowhere, you know.
Source is very safe. My grandfather shake up one back with me and
Dr. King,
sulfur bitter.
Shelly.
I know me want to run. I know me want to run. I just remember it.
Hey, that taste the left in your mouth for your lifetime, you know. I know me I taste it, you know.
No matter where you eat.
My grandfather also, rather than
okay.
apply the surface, he shoots it like so. So they get, and then not putting nothing in it but a pinch of sauce.
And I juice it like so.
Ugly looking and nasty tasty. Yeah.
You know, bite him.
Bite it.
Fortunate for the cow. Like him bite a wire will run along the ground here, so. This. Like electrocuted. So, plan is to burn him. But we're here say you have to bore the belly first. Before you actually start burning him. You have to just, yeah. Huh? No, a biting there.
Bite it.
The wire.
That means, you know, really, yeah, we'll get the electrician.